This is Eric Chow, Dr. Eric Chow. Today I'm going to talk about the brochure for the EC Academy, the school year 2023 to 2024. We'll go over the course that we offered in this year. Our mission. So I founded this EC Academy in 2015, and we are focusing on providing the complete CS computer education at high school level, because there are still about 50% of the high school in the United States, they don't have computers programs. And even if some school, they do offer computer science education, but their coursework may not be complete and may not be of high quality. So we help students across the United States about the high school computer science education to provide them the best quality course and also help them to go to the college. We are not cram school, so don't wait until you got a C and then trying to find us to help you to recover the credit back to A. We used to help students like that, but actually it doesn't. We actually have already successfully rescued a few students, helping them from C to A, but it's not our main focus right now. And we are not only for competition only. So if you are just want to do competitive programming, please try to find other resources. Our main purpose is to provide a comprehensive computer science education, cover the 4 programming languages in high school level: Python, JavaScript, Java, C, C++. We also provide competitive programming training and the hackathon training, but that's not the only goal that we have. So high school course standard, basically in high school, usually they provide introduction to computer science principles, AP course, AP computer science A course, and data structure and algorithm course beyond the AP computer science A. Okay, these are 4 courses that typically offered by high school like Mission High School in our Fremont City, but not every high school provides so many courses, and also not every high school provide computer science courses. So our main charter for EC Academy is to help students to be able to get the access for all of these courses, and then promote students to apply for college to major in computer science. That's our main mission here. A minimum requirement to take our computer science course is to finish your Algebra 1 course. So we actually provide the education for 4 languages, and we also provide you guidelines to complete in user code, hackathon, and also science board, and also research. And here are some honor that you can pursue for after taking our courses. But right here, we are providing the educational brochure, so we don't go into the detail for each individual item that we listed over here. So annual course series that we provide, basically some student that is early student in 8th grade or 7th grade, we provide the early explorers course pass. So taking Python in summer, web design in fall, and spring we start the pre-AP Java and then connect it to the next year's AP Computer Science A course series. Okay, next one is AP Computer Science A course series. We provide 2 possible curriculum. One starting in spring, you take pre-AP Java in spring, and then Java 1, Java 2 in summer and fall. And then spring, we start to do AP Computer Science A review, okay? And another pass is the regular AP Computer Science principle, AP Computer Science A pass. It's starting pre-AP Java in summer, and then Java 1 in fall, and then Java 2 second semester in spring, and review also in spring. Based on the past year's experience, high achiever curriculum work a little bit better, because it actually gives students more time to practice. And then we also provide, if you work on the AP Computer Science principle, that's 1 year education, you actually share the course with the early explorer for the Python 1, web design, and principal review in the spring. But some students who already finished the AP ComSci A, then we will put the competitive programming in summer and fall. And then in spring, also go back to AP ComSci principal exam review course. So this is the third course series. So we provide three kinds. One is early achiever that suitable for 7th, 8th grader who have no computer programming experience. Second one is AP Computer Science AE. This year you focus on AP Computer Science A, suitable for 9th grade, 10th grade, 11th grade. And the third one is the AP Computer Science Principal year. This year you will focus on AP Computer Principal, but depending on your prior programming background, we provide you regular curriculum or high achiever curriculum. This is suitable for 10 or 11 typically. And then if you are post-AP ComSci A and P, we focus on more advanced C++ education. And this one is 10, 11, or 12 years grade. So 2024 curriculum, we actually, in the summer, we provide 4 courses. Saturday afternoon, we provide pre-AP Java for the AP ComSci A course series. And then in the evening, we provide Java 3 musical competitive programming for post-AP student. And then Sunday afternoon, we provide the high achiever AP Computer Science A curriculum. And then Sunday night, we provide the early explorers Python course. This is for summer. And weekday, we may assign 1 day for coding practice. So there's an extra day you may need to join us for coding. Usually, it's typically weekdays 8 o'clock or certain weekday. And the time depends on the student, body. Okay, 4, we will offer Saturday afternoon AP ComSci A first semester, and then Saturday evening 8 p.m. we offer competitive programming. Sunday we support high achiever for AP ComSci A, and then up evening we give the web design for early explorer and AP ComSci principal student. Same thing, coding session may be assigned. And then spring, we finish up the AP ComSci A in Saturday. Usually, we will finish it in March. And then those students will join Sunday 2 to 5 p.m. for AP Computer Science Principal A review. This one usually starts in February 15th, the mid-February. And then Saturday afternoon, we provide pre-AP Java for early explorer. This one it will be their third semester. We start to put in on pre-AP Java, and then this one will connect to summer's AP Computer Science A courses. Sunday night we give the AP Computer Science Principal review, and again, additional exam practice or coding practice will be assigned during the weekday. Okay, there are some other courses that we offer, but we don't go into the detail in this video because we just focus on providing you the curriculum and course offer. You can browse through the PDF. If you need this PDF, I can offer to you. Thank you. Bye now.